That's what I'm talking about. Hello everyone, this is Moses from ZAATAR Gardens. Do a quick video here on how to burn out a tree stump. I've done this before and now it's time to do it with this one. The mushroom spores have been slowing down, it's starting to warm up, and this is in full sun, so the mushroom spores have made the tree stump loose. Like the rings of the stump are separated, the bark is falling off easily. So now it's time to just burn it down. And what I do is I get one of those cans that you start your barbecue pits with. I fill it up with charcoal, then I hold it underneath and I flip it down so it's completely open here. Then I put a terracotta pot on it. One, it was raining heavily, and two, so there's less oxygen going in there. I don't want to burn these charcoals out fast. I want it to be slow and steady. As you can see, it's nice and bright. So it'll take, for this whole stump, it'll take me, in this way I'm doing it, multiple times. It'll take about 36 hours to burn this all the way down. And you'll start seeing smoke come out of the grass because the roots are on fire as well. Sorry, I made sure where my gas lines are, by the way, and there can't be any gas lines underneath this tree anyways. This tree caused me a lot of problems. Unfortunately, it had to get cut down. Now it's going to be removed, and I'm planting a Persian green plum or sour plum. In Armenian we call it generic. We eat it with salt. Sour little plums, unripened, with salt. Generic. I believe that's Armenian. Alright everyone. Happy gardening. Bye.
Okay, like, share, subscribe, and thanks for watching everyone.